VideoLAN president says there is no motivation for active development of VLC for visionOS because of shallow user base of Vision Pro. While some of the biggest developers in the sphere have turned away from even considering to make their apps available on the Vision Pro, the popular media player VLC is reportedly planning to release a version to run on visionOS. Jean-Baptiste Kempf, the VideoLAN president, has announced that VLC is coming to Vision Pro as bigwigs in the landscape of iOS development have clearly cited lack of interest for the time being. It comes as the renowned media player recently celebrated its 5 billion downloads, with Kempf confirming that the company has long been working to develop a visionOS-supported version of VLC. "We already have a version of VLC running on the Vision Pro," the developer said. Active development of VLC for visionOS seems pretty vague considering the president's mention of no motivation to do so because of the shallow user base of the Vision Pro. This suggests that it could take some time before the VLC media player application is accessible or downloadable from the Apple App Store. "I'm not sure there is any use case yet," Kempf remarked, adding that the number of people who own a Vision Pro is really small. Is there a VLC for MetaQuest? The company was also mulling to build a VLC app for Meta's Quest headsets. However, it decided not to go with it, provided that there is plenty of many good players already available for the platform. In case you are not aware, VLC is a media player that is free and open source and can be used on platforms like iOS, macOS, and tvOS, while supporting numerous popular audio and video codecs, and is frequently utilized for playing media files that cannot be played by other players like Apple's QuickTime.